Hi, my name's Tom and I'm from SignComp Europe, and today I'm going to take you through our non-illuminated fascia frame. It's by far our most simple and cost-effective product within our portfolio. The reason for this, it only consists of two parts, the frame itself and a clip-on cover. So the frame, very simple to mount. You fix through the profile here and here, straight up against the wall, just like that. The next stage would be to insert your flex print, and a quick demonstration on how to clip up with our SignComp clip system. You place the mandrel down, recess down, and flip over the flex print. You twist up, and with the SignComp facing you, you clip the clip on. So once you're happy that the print is clipped up, you install your print into the frame. The frame on the wall, and you'll see that the clip has teeth and the profile has teeth. And when you push the clip in, they will engage with each other. Once it's engaged, your print is not going anywhere. And lastly, put on your cover, and it's as simple as insert and clip on. And that's our very simple and cost-effective non-illuminated fascia frame. For more information, head to www.signcomp europe.com.